our Bharuchi Dal Chawal. This fiery, delicious lentil and meat curry paired with flavoursome rice is perfect for any special occasion. Welcome back to Burmawala Kitchen. Watch the whole video to see the entire process unfold. First things first, let's marinate our meat. We're taking 1 kilogram of boned mutton and giving it a luxurious spice bath. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon each of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon each of ground peppercorn and star anise, 1 teaspoon each of fennel and mace powder, 1 tablespoon each of garam masala and Kashmiri chili powder, 2 tablespoons of dhania jeera, and 1 teaspoon each of turmeric and red hot chili powder. Give it all a thorough mix. Look at that incredible color. This meat is going to be the star of our dish. Next, let's not forget about our lentils. We're soaking 300 grams of tur dal for 20 minutes. This will help soften them and cut down on the cooking time. Lentils are the heart of this dish, adding a creamy texture. Now let's move on to the cooking pot. Add a quarter cup of oil and bring it to medium heat. Now it's time to add our dry aromatics. 1 teaspoon each of peppercorn, clove, green cardamom and black cardamom, 1 teaspoon of shahi jeera, 3 whole dried Kashmiri red chilies, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 2 bay leaves, and 2 small cinnamon sticks. Fry these aromatics for 2 minutes until your kitchen is enveloped in their amazing scent. The aroma of these spices frying is truly one of the best smells in the world. And go 2 large sliced onions. We're going to fry these until they turn translucent, which will take about 10 minutes. Frying onions is one of the longer parts of cooking curries, so keep them moving to ensure they get an even color. Once they're about 70% done, add 1 tablespoon of ghee for that amazing flavor and aroma. Ghee adds a depth of flavor that's simply unmatched. When the onions are ready, add 25 grams of curry leaves and 2 whole green chilies. Fry for another 3 minutes. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes and cook them with the onions until they soften and meld together beautifully. This should take about 10 minutes. This tomato onion masala is the base of our curry, bringing all the flavors together. Time to add our marinated meat. Fry for another 10 minutes until the meat takes on a rich color and all the spices have melded well. Ensure all the meat has seared well to avoid any raw spice taste. The searing locks in all the amazing flavors and juices. Next, add our soaked tur dal and combine it well with the seared meat. Add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi and give it another quick mix. Kasuri methi adds a unique flavor that complements the richness of the dish. Now add 4 cups of water and bring it to a boil. If you feel the water is a little less, add just enough to cover the meat. Cover with a lid and let it cook on low for 3 hours. This slow cooking process will make the meat incredibly tender and infuse the flavors deeply. Back to our dal. It's cooked to perfection. Look at that rich color. The dal has mostly melted in, just the way we want it. The meat is fully cooked and fork tender. But we're not done yet. We need to make a quick tadka. In a small pan, dry roast 1 teaspoon of cumin until fragrant. Then add a 1/4 cup of oil, bring to heat. And add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Move it around quickly, see how it foams. Pour it directly over the dal. Give it a good swirl. Top with fresh coriander. There it is, our Bharuchi Dal Chawal, a fiery dish with an amazing taste, perfect for special occasions. If you like it a little milder in taste, do not add the whole green chilies and reduce the amount of the red hot chili powder. However, give this a go, and it will give you a great rush and tantalize your taste buds. Serve the dal directly over the rice. Thank you for joining me once more. I hope you're enjoying my recipes. Give it a like, share with friends, and subscribe if you like. Happy cooking!